Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Happy Friday, and we got through the week okay so far. Overnight, beans higher, corn lower, wheat about a change. Outside markets, you've got the dollar higher. Looks like stocks are going to open up lower, crude's lower, and copper is at 35-year highs. And I think that when we look at the outside markets, emerging market shares and currencies are all lower, thinking that the new president will allow interest rates to go higher and there'll be a capital flow out of those countries into the United States. We also noted that OPEC, their monthly data suggests their production is higher than expected and higher than what they suggested in September in Algeria. So that's kind of weighing on the crude oil market. Over the beans, palm oil at 4-year high, Chinese ag futures higher. We've got some concern about Argentina, wet weather delaying plantings down there. January beans, I think, are still in this 975 to 1020 range. We're at the upper end of the range. We could test the lower end of the range if the South American weather is good. The Brazilian real is lower. Farmers down there have been heavy sellers of soybeans this week, and they've even extended sales into 2017-18 crop year. Over in the corn, I just think it's just too much supply. Funds continue to protect their short position, even though the harvest is down or almost over, and even though the demand is high, it just seems like the supply is overhanging the market. Over the wheat, we're also in this trading range between 390 and 420 on the December Chicago futures, and we expect to continue in that range with record supply being offset by this demand for quality wheat and the dryness in the southern plains. We also have an Egyptian tender today, and we'll see if prices are edging higher in that tender activity. U.S. forecasts next 2 weeks, above normal temps and normal to below rains. Perfect for us, and kind of wonder if global warming is just kind of setting in for a while here. I'm sure we have to pay for it in January and February. Brazil weather is good. Argentina looks like some more rains over the next 7 days, and then should start drying out. The question mark in Argentina is, will they have a dry summer or not? So got beans up, corn down, wheat unchanged. Outside markets continue to be volatile after the presidential election. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.